To edit your account settings, just click on your logo in the top right-hand corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. To edit the settings, you just need to click on the Change button. From here, you can select to archive all contacts with expired inductions, not recommended. Permanently delete archived contacts. This can only be activated upon your request to prevent accidental data loss caused by your admin users. Select from a number of certificates of completion styles and ID cards. You can also design your own custom certificate or ID. Choose whether a master account receives all induction notifications or not. Choose whether a master account receives daily summaries. Choose whether you would like the system to send out follow-up notifications to your inductees when they do not finish their inductions on time. Once you've made all the changes you want, just click Save. If you scroll down, you'll find a couple of other hidden options. Integration with Zapier.com, integration with Deputy.com, and import all your contacts from other online induction platforms. On the next help page, we're going to show you how to read your dashboard. Thanks for watching and happy inducting.